Now you don't even need your card. You have payment variables sitting on your finger, which you can just simply tap on a POS machine. You heard the beep, withdraw your hand, up till $100. You don't need to put a PIN, your payment is done. We are targeting the passive smart ring market for say price sensitive areas like India. My name is Vijay Khupchandani. I'm the founder and CEO of Seven. Seven is a fintech startup in the wearable payment space. I've been always following Apple as a company as my inspiration. The way they build their products, the marketing, brand building, right? So always fascinated with that, and always thought I should do something which involves some kind of a hardware play, because hardware also gives you defensibility in many cases. If you're able to get that IP right in the early days. I'm a fourth generation entrepreneur. Everybody in my family has been entrepreneurs, and this is my third venture. Worked with Citibank initially for around 8 years selling mortgages. People around me thought I was nuts because the Citibank gig used to pay very, very well. I was not a payroll employee, but I was more like a franchise arrangement with them, but it was a very high paying venture. So when I did this, of course, there was backlash in terms of the family thinking that, are you sure what you're doing? And I've been on my leap of faith for almost a decade now. And to some extent, initially it was a lot difficult, but I think now they understood that he's a, crazy, kind of passionate entrepreneur and trying to pursue. And now that when you see that you're able to generate revenue, there is validation around you, then they also feel that okay, we're in the right direction. But early days, like, it was very, very bad. We got early validation, and we got an investment from an angel network, which is very unheard of in India for a hardware startup back in the day. That was our first small win. The second win was when we got certified by MasterCard. That actually reinforced confidence in us that we can deliver a globally certifiable, globally accreditable kind of a product. So that was that. And then we also had filed a few patents in India. We won those patents, so that also further, reinforced the belief that yes, we are on the right path. And then there have been a few other small victories here and there where we have won government grants, in India, and we won a couple of innovation hackathons and challenges, along the journey. So yeah. Hyderabad, I think, is culturally known for the city of pearls. The infamous Kohinoor was actually first discovered in Hyderabad, which is a globally known jewel from India. And now, Hyderabad is being known for the next IT hub in India after Bangalore. So everybody from Amazon to Google, Microsoft to all the consulting firms you can find here. Hyderabad is like the fourth city, which is the most upcoming hub now for startups in India. Culturally speaking, it's known for very good Hyderabadi biryani, if you are aware. It's also known for Irani chai. A lot of young people coming in here to work in the IT hub, so you can make good friends, have a good time post-work. We're pretty used to doing pitches. We've kind of polished ourselves over time. We live in an era of speed and convenience where everything around us is just a tap away. And so is our payments today. There used to be a time when you used to have cards which used to swipe. Then they got evolved and we used to dip the cards. Then came along the tap cards. But guess what? Now you don't even need your card. You have payment variables sitting on your finger, which you can just simply tap on a POS machine. You heard the beep, withdraw your hand, up till $100. You don't need to put a PIN, your payment is done. We are targeting the passive smart ring market for, say price sensitive areas like India, where you cannot afford a $250 health ring. So our rings start from $18. We have a variant of $54. And then we also have a gold variant. We're talking about India, right? So 18 karat real gold ring, which will start from $400 because of the price of the metal. But it will do payments. It will do also transit ticketing, access control, keyless entry, and various other things based on NFC technology.
But there are others that do payments on a ring.
Yeah. There are globally. In India, they don't.
In India, you're the only one.
Yeah.
So what made you decide to do it?
So my inspiration, Tim, was Apple Watch, actually. Ironically, it's a battery-powered device, but what it kind of, made me think is that what is the future? What is the possibilities? What are the other form factors we're looking at? And we cautiously decided to do passive so that it's not one more device you're charging, because people already have health watches for monitoring their health. They don't need one more device to be charged. And at the same time, it's a beautiful looking accessory. We can
So you
actually
don't
show you.
need to charge this ring up.
No, it works on NFC technology.
Ever?
And never. It doesn't work on solar or
So-
motion. So it takes power from the electromagnetic field of the POS. So when you bring it in close proximity, it takes power quickly and shuts off. When you get to know about a product which doesn't require charging, looks aesthetically good so that you can wear it all day, it's waterproof. I mean, of course, you love that aspect of it. So one of the things, Tim, worth noting is that, see, this is the place where you have to bring the machine close to, but we have a security feature.
Okay.
If you keep it like this, or if, let's say, I'm unaware, I'm talking to somebody brings my machine like this, it will not transmit. It's a security feature so that nobody can steal money from you like this.
How
So you have to create a fist and then align my knuckle on top of it so that it comes in that specific
that distance away,
Exactly.
and the whole circle
Exactly.
of the ring
It cannot
has to
work
be
here. It
recognized.
cannot work here, here, here. It will not work like you swap.
So
You want to give it a
shooting
shot?
Out. Yeah, I'd love to.
But
I hope it fits you.
I'll try it on a finger that probably.
No, I think the smaller one. Go for this one, this finger.
There, how about that?
When I press collect,
Okay.
you have a prompt on the screen. Just keep your hand that way. That's it. Done. And your payment is done.
And you know that's your ring. This ring has some sort of a signal on it that you need.
So there's a chip inside, and it has your data. And I mean, it doesn't contain your personal data. It's a card data that is stored on it, and it connects
So
to
it's
a
a
wallet.
credit card.
Yeah. No, it's a prepaid wallet that we give today in India. It's not connected to your bank account, doesn't connect to your credit card. We can offer tokenization where you can connect your existing American Express or whatever card onto the ring, but we don't have recurring revenue in that case, so we're not doing it for now. For now, in a wallet, we earn money on, first of all, the markup on the ring. We have a 66% gross margin, and we make 1% on every transaction that you make. And plus, we will make 40 basis points or 40 paisa or 0.40% on every transit payment.
So the second she puts this ring on,
Yeah.
it works.
Yeah.
She doesn't need to. She doesn't need to hook it up to anything.
Nothing.
no, you
Well,
have
she
to
has
hook
to
it
send
UPI.
money to it. Vijay, thank you so much for coming on to Meet the
Yeah.
Drapers.
Thank you so much,
Great
Tim, for
job.
the opportunity.
Great job.
Thank you. We were well prepared, and thanks to the team for hand-holding, trying to keep the pitch tight and crisp in terms of logistics, what to expect, what not to expect, and so on. So, yeah, thank you.
Polly, what do you think?
So do this. I think I'm always forgetting my credit cards. I'm always forgetting losing something. If I had the ring on,
And if you can link it to your credit
and link
card
it to my
instead
credit card, which is what I thought.
instead of the top-ups that they're always trying to do.
No, this was, I think it's great for the Indian market and any other market for that matter.
I'm sure if it is positioned well, it can become very popular because as we see, there are also nice designs, so it can be seen as a fashion accessory and stuff.
Terrific. All right.